In this enterprise test data tutorial, we're going to look at table groups, which can be applied to tables to create groupings. We are looking at a definition we have for a Postgres database. And within this database, we have several tables that you'll see have been classified below. Now, what we have at the top here is what we call table groups. And what these allow us to do is to build groupings of different tables, which we can then use when we create our rule sets and when we view and visualize our data. So these can be used throughout the product to be able to accelerate selecting specific tables at any point in time. So we're going to come in and we're going to create a group for customers and employees. We can add a description, we can specify a color for our group. We can click OK, and then what we can do is we can open that group up and we can add specific tables to come in here. So we're going to add our customers and we'll also add our employees. They get added to the specific group and they have a certain coloring associated with them. Now we can come through and we can group all of our data here. Now what we'll see is that we've created 4 groups here and we've mapped some of our tables into these groups. Now what we can do is we can open the entity relationship diagram. Now we'll see here we've got our tables and we can view the entity relationship. If we come to settings, we can specify to show groups. And what that's going to do is it's going to show us our groupings we have and the tables here. But what we'll see is we've got one table which is not been grouped. If we want to add it to a specific group, we can drag and drop it onto there, and that will then get added and assigned to that particular group which is present. Now groups can be used all throughout the product. Whenever we're creating a new rule set or performing any activity, you'll see the groups are listed, and we can filter by those at any time so that we can select specific sets of tables to move forward with when we're performing our data activities. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.